I did a couple of interesting observations today. I got hold of and put on a battery plus. Surprisingly, it was available, and instead of what happened with the Mini 4 Pro, that you couldn't take off with a plus battery, you actually can take off with a plus battery on the Mini 5 Pro. The only difference is that you get the message that the aircraft weighs over 250 grams with the current battery installed, and that it's not compliant with EU regulations for the C0 labeled drones. I was still able to fly, and that for quite a long time. You definitely get a considerable amount more in flight time with this plus battery. The only thing you have to consider is that using the plus battery, it's not a C0 drone anymore. But looking at the rules, it does seem like it's okay flying it anyway, as long as you have at least the A1 certificate. And of course, adhere to the C1 regulations. I guess due to the added weight, the drone also made a little bit more noise. I also got a new experience. I probably nudged one of the propellers a little bit out of its notch. So after a little bit over a minute, I got a message that I had to check or replace the propeller. When I landed the drone, it did something interesting. The supposed damaged propeller started to surge and give noise until I turned it off. I noticed that it wasn't fully latched, so I just latched it. It probably came loose when I took the propellers out and I didn't notice. After refixing it, it worked perfectly.